In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HubSpot sequences. If you're looking to streamline your sales process and enhance communication with your leads, HubSpot sequences is a tool worth mastering. Let me walk you through each step to get you up and running smoothly. First, start by heading over to the HubSpot website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the HubSpot URL. Once the site loads, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. That's where you'll find the login button. Give it a click to proceed. Now you're at the login page. You'll see the option to sign in with Google. If you have your account linked, this is the quickest way to get access. Select the Google account associated with HubSpot and you'll be logged in seamlessly. Next, navigate to the sales section of your HubSpot dashboard. You can do this by clicking on the Sales tab, which will take you to the next step. Here, look for the Sequences option and click on it. This is where the magic really starts to happen. To create a new sequence, locate the Create Sequence button at the top right corner of the screen. Clicking this will open a new window. You'll see an array of options, but for this tutorial, we'll start from scratch. Find and select the Start from Scratch choice from the left panel. Once that's done, click on Create Sequence to dive into the finer details. Now, it's time to decide what your sequence will perform. For our example today, we'll work with a general task. Click on the General Task option to proceed. After selecting the task type, you'll want to jot down notes that will accompany your sequence. Think of these notes as a way to remind yourself or your team of the specific intentions or steps within this sequence when it's in action. Once your notes are ready, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Add. With everything added, the next crucial step is to save your work. Look towards the top right corner and select the Save button. You'll then be prompted to input a name for your sequence. Make it something memorable and descriptive to ensure easy access in the future. You're nearly there. It's time to decide who can see and use this sequence. This is an important step for team collaboration and privacy. Make your selection wisely to control access within your team. Finally, wrap things up by saving the sequence again. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and hit that Save button. Your sequence is now ready to be used, helping you automate and manage your sales communication effectively. Congratulations on setting up your first HubSpot sequence. I hope you find this tool as useful as many others do in staying organized and efficient in client communications.